Do you know in which direction Earth rotates in its orbit around the Sun? And what would happen if Earth were to rotate in the opposite direction? Also, what distance would be covered by a wire filled with electricity in seawater? So, hello intelligent people. Welcome to VK Common Knowledge. Knowledge which is not that common. Our first question is, in which direction does the Earth rotate in its orbit around the Sun? The answer is counterclockwise. But the interesting question is, what happens when the Earth rotates in the opposite direction? If the Earth were to suddenly start rotating in the opposite direction, it would have significant and wide-ranging effects on the planet and its inhabitants. There are 6 main changes that would occur. Firstly, a change in the day and night cycle. That means the sun would appear to rise in the west and set in the east, causing a complete reversal. Day would become night, and night would become day. Secondly, severe weather patterns. The reversal of Earth's rotation would disrupt global atmospheric circulation patterns, leading to changes in weather patterns. Severe storms, hurricanes, and tornadoes might become more frequent or exhibit different behavior. Thirdly, a change in climate. This would have a great impact on global climate patterns, redistributing heat and energy across the planet and affecting ecosystems and agricultural practices. Fourthly, geophysical effects. The sudden reversal of Earth's rotation would generate massive amounts of seismic activity and geological disruptions. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tectonic plate movements would likely occur due to the redistribution of the planet's mass and changes in stress on the Earth's crust. Fifthly, ocean currents and sea levels. Ocean currents, like the Gulf Stream, which influence regional climates and marine ecosystems, could be disrupted or altered. There could also be changes in sea levels and coastal areas. Lastly, effects on living organisms. This means changes in animal and plant behavior patterns, such as migration and breeding, could be disrupted or altered due to changes in light cycles and environmental conditions. I know that such a sudden reversal of Earth's rotation is highly unlikely to occur naturally. It would only be possible if an extremely powerful and unlikely event were to happen. Now, for the third question about electricity. We know that salt water is a good conductor of current. That also we saw in 3 Idiots movie. However, what would happen if we put 440 watts of current in seawater? If we put the wire in Mumbai port, India, can the current travel to Arab countries through the Arabian Sea? Well, it depends on several factors. The voltage of the current, the conductivity of the water, and the resistance of the wire, that means, the amount of current flowing through it. This can be calculated using Ohm's law, that is, distance equals V asterisk R, sigma A, where V equals voltage, which is 440. R equals resistance of the wire, assumed to be 1 ohm. Sigma equals conductivity of seawater, assumed to be 4 s per meter. A equals cross-sectional area of the wire, assumed to be 1 square millimeter or 0.000001 square meters. Putting in the values, we get a distance equal to 110,000 kilometers or approximately 68,350 miles. That's all from my side. Please be kind enough to like, share, and comment with any doubts or queries. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the VK Common Knowledge channel.